When it comes to blogging, choosing the right AI content tool can be a game changer. So, if you've been wondering whether Frase or Jarvis AI is more effective for bloggers, you're in the right place. Let's dive into a comparison of these two tools to help you make an informed decision. First off, Frase is built with one main thing in mind: research and content optimization. If you're a blogger who's focused on SEO, Frase does a lot of the heavy lifting. It analyzes top-ranking pages for your keywords, suggests subtopics, and helps craft content that's more likely to rank. But here's the kicker: while Frase excels in research, it doesn't always deliver the best content quality or creativity. It's great for optimizing existing posts, but if you're looking to come up with original, engaging ideas from scratch, it can be a bit limited. Next, Jarvis AI, now known as Jasper, is a powerhouse for content creation. Jasper's real strength lies in its ability to generate creative, long-form content quickly. Whether you're writing blog posts, emails, or even product descriptions, Jasper delivers high-quality text that's well-structured and engaging. However, the downside? It can sometimes sound a bit robotic, especially when you push the tool to generate content too fast or for more complex topics. It's a solid tool for writing, but you might have to spend extra time editing to make it feel more natural. The third thing we need to talk about is ease of use. Both tools are fairly easy to navigate, but Phrase's interface is cleaner when it comes to content research and optimizing for SEO. It's like having a mini SEO expert by your side. On the other hand, Jasper offers a more versatile writing experience with tons of templates for different content types. It's more focused on content generation, while Frase keeps you in the research and optimization lane. Fourth, pricing. Frase and Jasper are both premium tools, but they differ in how they structure their pricing. Frase offers a more budget-friendly option for bloggers who are mainly looking for research and SEO help. Jasper, on the other hand, is a bit more expensive, especially when you go for higher tier plans that give you access to more features like long-form content generation and team collaboration. Now, let's touch on integrations. If you're a blogger who needs your tools to work well with others, both Frase and Jasper have decent integrations. Frase integrates well with Google Docs, WordPress, and other SEO tools, while Jasper integrates seamlessly with Surfer SEO, helping you with on-page SEO as you create content. Both tools can fit nicely into your blogging workflow, but if you're all about building content directly on your blog, you might lean more toward Jasper's WordPress integration. Now, after testing both tools myself, I can say they're solid for bloggers. But here's the thing: while both have their strengths, if you're looking for something that truly combines content creation, optimization, and a user-friendly experience in one package, there's a better alternative. And I'm not talking about these two. If you want a tool that does it all: research, writing, SEO, and more, without the headaches of clunky interfaces or high costs, I'd recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description. Through that link, you'll get exclusive benefits, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Go ahead and give it a try and see how it compares to Frase and Jasper. Frase and Jasper are both good, but if you want something that offers even more for your blogging goals, take advantage of the offer in the first link below. You won't regret it.